Well, it's certainly been a challenge staying warm over the past several days with this really cold air in place. We're not alone. Of course, the birds are trying to stay warm and enjoying at least some sunshine and a fairly quiet day. This is a picture of a cardinal near Minneaska. One of our viewers sent us this picture last evening. Bob Marg sent the picture, and there's the cardinal in the pine tree. Hopefully, maybe looking for some lunch or maybe just trying to stay warm because it's been very cold. Another quiet day ahead of us. We have a couple of flurries trying to develop. We may see a few of those this morning. Otherwise, a fairly tranquil Tuesday, just brutally cold. Looking down southward, down Bandle Road. This is live from our studio, our Lewiston Auto camera. It's 7 degrees below zero right now on the weather patio. It feels like it's 16 below. Only a 3-mile-per-hour breeze out of the west, but it's still enough of that wind to have quite a bit of a wind chill impact. Air pressure steady, 30.51 inches mercury. Across the map, mainly 10 below zero, give or take a couple degrees. Rochester now at the airport, 9 below just a couple of hours ago. We had been hovering at 13 below zero for most of the latter portion of last evening and the overnight hours. Steady in that range. Now starting to see some improvement with that temperature. Austin now 11 below. It's 8 below zero in Northwood, 13 below in Mesa City, and 13 below in Winona. Right now, 9 below in Rochester. It feels like 24 below officially. There's that light west wind. That's still enough of that breeze to really knock that feels like temperature down. And we're not alone. The entire region really feeling brutally cold this morning. That wind chill advisory, in fact, impacts the entire area. About a 5-state area. That goes until 10 o'clock this morning. 20 to 30 below that current wind chill situation. And that's the way it's going to feel most of the morning. A couple clouds and snow showers coming in. Flurries. That's about it, though. Nothing to accumulate. Just a couple of snowflakes ahead of an area of high pressure is going to settle in and bring us some afternoon sunshine in the wake of these clouds. So we'll have that going forward for the rest of the day. Tranquil but very cold and eventually brighter looking Tuesday ahead of us. 9 below zero in Rochester. Up north, a little bit colder. Fargo, Minot, 11 below. International Falls, not as cold as yesterday. It was 30 below zero yesterday morning. It's now 20 below this time compared to this time yesterday. A little better there. 0 in Alpena, 15 above zero. South of us is St. Louis. That's where the warmth is. We won't be that warm for maybe another week or more, unfortunately. We'll stick with this cold spell. Flurries and then some sunshine today. Next chance of accumulated snow comes along on Thursday, especially in the afternoon and early evening. On the weekend offers maybe a slight chance of snow, but still more that really cold Arctic air in place. It'll be another full week before we see, I think, any change to this pattern. 10 below zero for that morning commute. A few flurries possible, maybe a couple of breaks of sunshine. We'll see those clouds and flurries. Then increasing sun. There we go, around 6 degrees, the expected high by mid-afternoon. 5:32 that sunset today. So 6 today. Around 7 or 8 below zero tonight, so not quite as cold tonight as last night. Now, so many of the double-digit below zero numbers, so we have that to look forward to, I guess, and some improvement. But the wind chill today, after starting out the wind chill advisory criteria, won't be quite as cold this afternoon, around 9 below with that wind chill. Future track, looking at high pressure sticking around the area. We have some flurries ahead of that today, some clouds, and then some afternoon sunshine. Still fairly bright and quiet Wednesday. A couple of clouds come in, a couple of flurries skirt the area to the south. A larger system coming from the west, at least more of a robust area of low pressure, will eventually bring some snow to the plains. That comes in for Thursday. Possibility of up to an inch of snowfall accumulation. Computer models suggesting about an inch will be possible Thursday, mainly afternoon, and that offers really the best chance of accumulating snow in the next week or so. Slight chance Saturday of something very light in the way of snowfall. Otherwise, looks like we'll stick with a quiet, bright, very cold pattern. These temperatures way off the mark from what would be the seasonal standard. Temperatures the next week or so closer to zero. Then the mid-20s, that would be more typical for this time of the year. And looking at some of those temperatures today, look for a high of 6 in Rochester, 7 in Mason City, partly sunny, some flurries early. West winds around 10 miles per hour. They keep the wind chill below zero all day long. For tonight, partly cloudy skies, a low of 7 below zero. The wind chill 10 to 20 below, so not quite as cold as last night. The 7-day forecast looking at sub-zero highs still possible on the map through the weekend. And single-digit highs at the very warmest through at least President's Day now, Jess.
Okay, I guess that's just around the corner. Thank you, Tom.